staring at us. Creatures of the bovine type. Alright, welcome back to Revisiting History bonus video. Where giving up is not a freaking option, bro. Alright, you guys see this view. This is gorgeous. This is like walking through sand, like on the beach. Alright, so I saw this structure and had to investigate. So on the outskirts of Blanco, look at this beautiful, oh my gosh, this is like sinking beach sand. And there's a cliff area. Now the Native Americans in this area are known for cliff dwellings. It's not a high cliff, but it'd be enough to protect you from the water. And then a place to give you water when you need it. So let's hike it out. We got like a multi-tiered system of life here. You've got burrows. You got a big old burrow down there. Absolutely phenomenal. This place is pretty crazy, actually. This might be better than the last video I just made. What is that? There's a stick hanging out of there? No, what is that? That's weird. And if I'm correct, those are all like burn marks from fires. Is that a... It's like a spiral. I don't know, man. It's a big one, though. Bro, this is surreal. It's a lizard. Okay. Glad it's a lizard. Prefer it be a lizard. Gotta cross through some grass. Gonna try and take a simple route. This is, I wonder how many people take the time to come out here. This is pretty intense. I mean, I'm leagues away from people right now. Look at that. What in the wonder? Look at that giant stone just hanging out the bottom from erosion. I want to get a closer look at some of these rocks. Bro, I mean, what's there to say? Like, it's crazy. Alright, so we're approaching the inner cave of this area, if you want to call it that. What is that? Is that a rabbit? Tiny bunny? Rattlers ain't got him yet. Looks like it'd make a good den for some coyotes. I want to see up here, though. This is what we're looking at. Undiscovered petroglyphs, possibly, maybe. Not over here. Let's see if we can get closer on this side while watching my footstep. That's a lot of rock stacking. Lizard. And then look at that. This spot up here. What is this? It's a little grotto. And the mystery deepens. What in the world, man, am I experiencing? I see what looks like almost washed off cave art, rock art. And then look at that entrance, dude. Just keep going, I guess. The den, the big one's gonna be on the left. I can't really get up much further, but then you look, and then there's a comprehensive look at the caves. I don't see, from this angle, it doesn't look as washed as it does look like maybe used, but I want to circle back to that one that looked like a spiral and check that. What in the world? Why is there a car here? Check it out. See if we can get any details. It's been scrapped completely. There's no way to even tell what year it's from. It's so destroyed. Well, that's weird. Well, I got a better angle. It does not appear to be man-made, unfortunately. Much as I'd like it to be the largest spiral I've seen.